You guys will have to let me know down in the comment section if you like or don't like this new angle. I'm trying out this different lens. I can go back to the old one, but just let me know. Hopefully we earn your thumbs up in this video. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. All right, so wanted to provide you guys with a quick little update on what we talked about earlier. I said market is consolidating. There's really not much of a true direction. Market was right around this general area, right around 322. There was so much consolidation. At one point, we were aggressively selling off. At one point, we were aggressively rising. By the time the market closed, we aggressively sold off once again. I don't know about you guys, but I'm so fed up with this market. Let me know in the comment section or by dropping a thumbs up if you agree. I did take a couple trades today, $6,500 on the day on SQQQ. It's nothing crazy. It's one of my slower days. I've had days where, I lose 5K. I made 6.5 today. I'm very grateful for it nonetheless, but just with the dollar amount that I trade with, it just wasn't anything significant. And I stand by the video that I made earlier today, and it's, don't waste your day trades if you don't have to. I know a lot of you guys are under the PDT rule. I want to remind you, I want to empower you to be selective when opportunity is not super clear. We were not making consistent progress on the upside. We weren't making consistent progress on the downside. We talked about one thing in today's video, and that's time frames, and to have a better understanding of a sense of direction. And as you can see, we're literally exactly where we were, right? A lot of consolidation right around 322, 323. We're still not making lower lows below the 30-minute EMA. We're tracing back to the moving average, right? We still don't have any of that confirmation as of right now. Again, this is why we close out our trade and then we wait for opportunity to be more clear. Hopefully tomorrow, again, we'll see if we bounce off of this EMA line, just like I said in today's earlier video. And literally like clockwork, it bounced off of the EMA and it went to make new highs. Again, a great opportunity for people that like to scalp, but for those that are under the PDT rule that maybe are a little bit more selective with their trades, today was probably a very frustrating day to say the least, and trust me, I get your frustration. We were traced back to the EMA, and as of right now, again, we're testing support. We are not making consistent progress on the downside. We're not making consistent progress on the upside. So regardless, if I want the market to sell off and you want the market to rise, it doesn't matter what we want, right? It doesn't even matter if I'm bearish. You guys know that I'm always trying to be open-minded with you in the sense that it's very clear to see that market direction is not super clear right now at these overbought levels. We are definitely more bullish than we are bearish, but we're consolidating up here. And normally there is consolidation before a rejection. So we'll just have to follow up and wait and see. One of the first things that I want to share with you guys is what's going to be reported tomorrow. So we have Uber earnings going to be reported tomorrow. Pre-market, if I'm not mistaken. It's AMD, Starbucks, and Ford Motor Company that is going to report earnings tomorrow after the market closes. But again, I love sharing this with you guys because I want to make sure that you are all prepared. But again, tomorrow pre-market, it is Uber that is going to be reporting earnings, and then AMD, Ford, and Starbucks reporting earnings after the market closes. When it comes down to quarterly earning reports, yes, the ones tomorrow are kind of important. The big dog, is Apple. Apple reports earnings with Shopify as well after the market closes. But like many of you guys know, Apple is the big tech of big tech. It's the big tech stock with the largest market cap, and it reports earnings after the market closes on Thursday. Do not forget, this is your fair warning. Again, just for those that didn't hear it in today's earlier video, we have the FOMC meeting that's going to happen on Wednesday. This is when the Federal Reserve decides to either increase or decrease interest rates, right? It is to be expected that the Federal Reserve is going to raise interest rates by 1/4 basis points, but based off of what happened over the weekend with JPMorgan pretty much taking control of First Republic Bank, again, the second largest bank failure in U.S. history since 2008. It doesn't sound the best. Will the Federal Reserve accommodate banks by no longer increasing interest rates, or will the Federal Reserve say, F it, let's continue our focus in the fight against inflation? You guys can let me know down in the comment section, but you guys know what I like to say. Our job is not to predict, our job is to prepare, and that's exactly why I'm looking forward to tomorrow's live trading session. I'll see you tomorrow at Market Open. Again, I trade live every morning. You don't have to tune on in, but if you want to tune on in, it's the second link in the description down below if you want to learn more about it. Other than that, don't forget about our GTR giveaway, and for those that did not know, again, we're giving away $10 to $100. $10. Let me go ahead and refresh this. $10 to $100 in every single mystery box that is ordered today. And it also earns you up to 1,000 entries with every single mystery box. If you want to learn more about this on how you can enter our GTR giveaway, again, it is going to be the fourth link in the description down below. I really do appreciate you guys' time. I hope to see you guys tomorrow at Market Open for our live trading session. Let me know what you guys think about this angle. And again, like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.